Today we'll create a loan payment calculator in Excel. We'll be using the PMT function. PMT is nothing but payment function, and the syntax is first is the rate, which is the interest rate. I have 8.5% here. N per is the tenure. I have 1 year tenure. PV is the present value, which is the loan amount. I have 2 lakh rupees. FV is the future value, and type is the advance payment or the payment at the end of the tenure. First we'll check the monthly payment. We'll insert the function PMT rate tenure loan amount. You'll get an answer of 2,17,000, which is incorrect. We have two errors. One is the bracket. This bracket means the answer is negative because PMT works on cash flow basis. That is the third rule. So loan amount is what we get, which is cash inflow, which is positive. Monthly payment is what we pay, which is cash outflow, so it is negative. If you need a positive monthly payment, you should keep the present value negative. That is one error. Second one is, for a month you will not be paying the whole amount. For a month you will be paying only a part of the amount. So this answer is wrong. So we'll try to rectify this. So we'll first check all the rules. Rate should match with unit of tenure. That is, interest rate is 8.5% per annum and tenure is 1 year. I need monthly payment, so the interest rate and tenure doesn't match with monthly payment, it matches with yearly payment. So for monthly payment, I should divide this rate by 12 and multiply this tenure by 12. Second rule we already saw, these are optional. Third rule, PMT works on cash flow basis, so I have to keep my present value negative. So we'll retype the formula. PMT rate for monthly payment, we'll divide this by 12. Tenure, again we'll multiply this by 12. Present value, since I need a positive payment, I'll put a minus and click this. Now I'll get an answer. This is my monthly payment, which is 17,443.96. Similar to this, we can have the weekly and semi-annually. So in a year there are 52 weeks. So we'll divide the rate by 52 and we'll multiply the tenure by 52. Before modifying the formula, these three are fixed, so we are going to lock the cells. So we have to press F4 so the cells gets locked. Now just drag the formula and make the changes. For weekly payment, it is divided by 52 and tenure is multiplied by 52. And for semi-annually, you'll divide the rate by 2 and multiply the tenure by 2. So this is the monthly, weekly and semi-annually payment. We'll change the format. This is in dollar. We'll change the currency to Indian rupee. Now we'll see what is the total amount of rupees I'll be paying at the end of the tenure. Just multiply this EMI by the tenure, and since I need monthly payment, we'll again multiply this by 12. For weekly payment, we'll multiply the payment with the tenure and multiply the tenure with the number of weeks. For semi-annually, multiply the payment with the tenure and multiply by 2 for semi-annual total payment. So we'll change the format to Indian rupee. So this is the total payment. If you see, if I pay twice in a year, my interest will be more compared to monthly or weekly payment. So we'll check by modifying the input data. We'll put 3 years. All the data gets changed. We'll change the loan amount. Again, you'll get the exact answer. So this will be very helpful to calculate your payments before you take up any loan.